Welcome to Make It Delicious Flavours of Australia. I'm Darren Robertson, and this is Make It Delicious Flavours of Australia. Naughty Barrow.
Hi, how are you?
All right, what we got today?
We have pepperberries. So we've got some dried pepperberries here. So this gives you that Szechuan hit, but then goes away really nicely with the cloves, and it's just got its own unique flavour. But I like showing the leaves as well because you can use the leaves like bay leaves. They can get spicier than actually the pepper itself. But they also have a breeding element where they need a friend to grow, basically.
So I thought it'd be really nice to make a plum and pepperberry chutney. And I thought I'd serve that up with something, one of my favourite things, a crumbed pork cutlet. So cotlet style, so just like dipped in, panko crumbs, parmesan reggiano, and fried in some foaming butter.
Yum. That's like breakfast.
So that's breakfast. Yeah. So first step, the chutney itself. I'm going to pop some vinegar into a saucepan. Pop that in. Apple cider's great. Equal amounts of Massel Vegetable Stock. That's just going to give it a bit of a depth of flavour, nice savoury note. And so then in with our hero ingredient, the pepperberries.
Those beautiful colours.
So you can see straight away you've got that beautiful colours.
That rich ruby coming from it.
Circle. Put in our plums. I'll cut them in halves or quarters. And really this thing's just a reduction. In with some ginger, so plenty of grated ginger. A bit more heat, spice. A diced red onion. Just to round that out, got some brown sugar here. So then we'll wind that in. And then I just like to give it a bit of a stir. But those plums are going to break down a bit, and it's going to be a bit sort of chutney, jammy, just what the doctor ordered when you're eating a pork chop. We'll reduce that down. It'll take about 15 minutes, and whilst it's doing its thing, prepare our pork cutlets. So this is a bit of a cotlet style crumbed pork, essentially. So we've got some seasoned flour.
Just to hold the crumbs on.
Just stir that through. Egg mix. It's just an egg, a splash of milk, just whisked up. And then the breadcrumbs. So for this, a bit more salt again. I've got some panko breadcrumbs here.
Nice, so it's been nice and crunchy.
Nice and crunchy, and then just to enrich in that, some grated parmesan reggiano. Give them a little mix. And then for these puppies, I'll just season these with a bit of salt. So I've flattened these out very slightly, and I think it just speeds up the cooking time. So I'm just going to pop that in some seasoned flour, and then we're going to pop that in our milk egg wash, and onto our breadcrumbs. Make sure they're well coated. All right. So a couple of tiny knobs of butter. You barely even see it. All right, so that's what you're after. So you want it bubbling, foaming away. And then we're just going to carefully take our pork cutlets, pop them in our pan. Great, look at that. And so I want to give these about 4 minutes each side. Reduce it down, sort of a medium heat, let it do its thing. And ideally you want a nice crispy, golden, crunchy exterior. So I'll sort of flip it over very gently.
Look at that.
The sound's quite hypnotic, isn't it? It's smelling pretty good. Grab these out.
They look amazing. I can't wait till it gets in my belly.
Touch of salt just to finish off. Let it rest for a couple of minutes and then we'll plate up. How goes this?
I'm like waiting. I'm speechless. I'm waiting for it.
So I'm just going to serve some greenery. So a little bit of the classic flat leaf parsley lemon combo, and then a beautiful little salad on the side. My pork on, lemon cheek, a bit of chutney and dreams, I suppose. Beautiful little side salad. Let's dig in.
Yeah, let's do it. Bit of this lemon on.
Squeeze lemon and dreams.
That's so delicious.
It works so well, doesn't it?
All those pepperberries coming through there, oh my God.
I'm very happy with that. It's kind of got everything. The sweetness of the pork, the crisp and the crunch of the exterior, and sort of sweet and sour chutney with a beautiful spice of the pepperberries.
That plum is just so beautiful with that cutlet. It's delicious. You really outdid yourself this time for me. I think it was like one of my favorites, so delicious.
Thanks, mate. Thanks for watching Make It Delicious Flavours of Australia. I hope we inspired you guys to cook with native ingredients in your own kitchen. And of course, thank you to Nornie Barrow.
Thanks for having me.
Cheers, guys.